I haven't mentioned in this video yet or in the past, which my dad passed away, and it's his birthday today.
Prada-YOU. He would have said Prada-YOU.
Prada. Prada who? Prada-YOU. Prada-YOU. Prada who? Prada. Prada unboxing. Prada unboxing. Prada unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shit, and today we're doing a quick, very quick Prada unboxing. So this is something I got actually. So if that's you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Take a guess right now. Take a guess. What do you think it is? It's small. It's tiny. It's something I got a while ago, so it's actually already unboxed, and this is actually not the bag it came in, I don't think. But whatever. Take a guess. Okay, great. So this. So it's a lot. It's a cardinal. So I actually two stories. One, today is September 9th. Today is my dad's birthday. Would have been his birthday. He would have been 66 today. Story for another time. Dating when I'm posting this, but obviously it's a while ago. I actually got this in Paris from the Prada guy that I worked with, who I have a whole thing with, an issue with it. If I haven't posted a video, basically I lost a lot of money buying a bunch of stuff from him that I didn't end up getting. Prada scam, Prada whole thing. I don't know what's going on with it right now. But so I got this from him before all of that in January when I went to go see him. And I got it actually for my now brother-in-law partner. They like to go by partner. I got it for him. My parents wanted me to get him something, so I got him this. But I ended up giving him that Goyard card holder that I got instead, so that him and my sister could have matching Goyard card holders. So then my dad was like, "I'll take it," and he bought it from me, like just to have. He actually didn't even want it. He never ended up using it, so it's kind of like sentimental and sad because he never actually. He was like, "You bought that extra now, so let me just buy it from you." And I was like, that was really nice. So I just he never ended up using it, sat in the box, and so now here it is. I don't want to keep it. I don't want to, I wouldn't have any use. I don't really like this. I don't really like it, but I got it. So we're gonna box it, and then that's it. That's the end of this video. Really quick. I don't know, maybe I'll gift it, re-gift it again. So it's all fully everything's so fresh, even though all the little accoutrements, they're not even folded, they're fresh, lying flat on this little box. The box is really cute. Even the price tag, it doesn't say the price, but all the info about the item. And then Prada paper, and then this felt thing. And so it's a black Saffiano leather Prada card holder. Got 3 slots on this side, 3 slots on this side, and it's got this weird open thing for putting things in here, which papers and cards and stuff. Instead of it just being at the top, it's a full open thing, which I guess is kind of nice if you want that. I just think it's kind of weird. That's why I don't really like it. I don't even think I knew that it did that when I got it. I just got it and then later realized that it did that. Got a little Prada detail right there. I mean, it's pretty. Much to explain about it. I am keeping a lot of my dad's stuff, and gonna wear it myself, but I don't want to keep this. And if I haven't mentioned in this video yet or in the past, which I probably have because I'm gonna try to post this after, but my dad passed away. So this is, and it's his birthday today. So this was his, and yeah, I'm not gonna keep it though. I don't want to. I'm keeping some of his stuff that I like, but this was, I know he didn't want this. He just bought it to be nice, and I'd rather just, I will just gift it to someone else at the right time. It's a nice gift, I think, right? Simple, easy, whatever. I'm tired of giving people gifts, to be honest. I'm tired of buying things for other people. I am just tired. I am tired. I'm gonna stop soon. No, I'm not. Probably not. But yeah, this is a good gift. I can give this to someone. Prada-YOU. He would have said Prada-YOU. He would have said Prada-YOU. Okay, this is going to be a really sad video, so I'm going to stop now. I love you guys. Thank you guys. Just a quick Prada unboxing, and I'm proud of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies and exes and your dads. Share it with your dads. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Love you, Dad. Okay, bye.